HOPE stands for Animal Assisted Crisis Response. We offer comfort and encouragement to those affected by disasters and crisis, and that's what our dogs do to try and assist first responders, second responders, victims, and families. Once a year, we do an annual meeting. It is a thank you to our teams to get together. It's also an education. And that's how it got us with Volition, in that one of our members is an oncology vet.
So I reached out to Volition and they were kind enough to donate tests to however many HOPE dogs wanted to participate. And the owners are so grateful.
We had the opportunity to be able to sponsor free Nu.Q vet cancer tests for the HOPE organization, such a great organization. And because the Nu.Q vet cancer test is a simple, easy to use blood test, we were able to actually process 30 samples within about 2.5 hours.
We've done several different HOPE deployments. One was to Lewiston, Maine, when there was a mass shooting there. The other one was after the tragic airplane crash in Washington. There was a connection that would form between the dog and the grieving person, instantaneously. It was amazing. Her health is paramount. She has had a bout of cancer in the past, some mast cell tumor that was removed. Very appreciative of Volition's interest in servicing and gathering data from us and giving us some feedback. It's wonderful.
We support both man-made and natural disasters, wildfires, floods, earthquakes. On the man-made side, unfortunately, shootings, building collapses, school problems, we see people visibly calm down. Blood pressure goes down, cortisol goes down, and when they walk away from the dogs, they're able to handle the crisis that they're in better.
One of the most challenging and rewarding deployments, we went to an advocacy for missing and murdered family members. And one of the ladies, her daughter had been killed, and she wanted to do a podcast to make sure it doesn't happen to somebody else. And she asked Molly to sit with her while she did the podcast. I'm very thankful that Volition is going to do this testing. As a survivor of cancer twice and having 2 dogs previous die of cancer, I want to do everything I can to keep Molly healthy so she can continue her work.
If we can figure out a way to detect it earlier, the hope is we can have a better outcome.
1 in 4 dogs will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime, and dogs over the age of 10 have about a 50% risk of developing cancer. And if we could detect cancer earlier, the treatment may not need to be as aggressive and the outcome could be significantly better.
Our dog's health is so critical to us, and so we have a great shout out thank you to Volition for sponsoring the testing, for being able to share with us what that means to our dogs and perhaps early treatment or perhaps earlier diagnosis. And we're happy that HOPE and Volition can partner because we're both helping do the right things for people affected by crisis and disasters.
It's amazing to be able to test earlier before they actually have any issues. They were all beautiful patients. Everyone was great. Quick little blood draws.
Our HOPE dogs bring so much comfort to so many people, and to allow them to keep doing that means the world.